Question KC1. Use long division to divide, into bracket, 3x to power 4, minus 5x to power 3, minus 5x to power 2, plus 5x, plus 2, by, into bracket, x plus 1. In this problem, we need to start with the highest index, and that is 4. So, let us divide 3x to power 4 by x, to get the first term of the quotient, 3x to power 3. (3x to power 4, divided by x, will give you 3x to power 3. Note, when dividing, we subtract, and when multiplying, we add. Now, we have to multiply the divisor, x plus 1, by the first term of the quotient, 3x to power 3. So, x times 3x to power 3, gives us 3x to power 4. And plus 1 times 3x to power 3 also gives us plus 3x to power 3. To subtract, 3x to power 4 cancelled each other. And minus x to power 3 plus 3x to power 3, gives us minus 8x to power 3. So write down the minus 8x to power 3. Divide minus 8x to power 3, by x, to get the second term of the quotient, which is, minus 8x to the power 2. So, write down the minus 8x to the power 2 at the top. Here, let us bring down the minus 5x to power 2. Multiply, minus 8x to power 2, by x, to get minus 8x to power 3. And multiply minus 8x to power 3 by plus 1, to get minus 8x to power 2, and subtract. Here, minus 8x to power 3 cancelled each other. And minus 5x to power 2, and minus 8x to power 2, gives us plus 3x to power 2. Divide the plus 3x to power 2, by x, to get the third term of the quotient, plus 3x. So, we have to write down our plus 3x at the top and continue. Now, let us bring down the next term, which is plus 5x. Multiply the divisor, x, by plus 3x, to get plus 3x to power 2. And plus 1, times plus 3x, also gives us plus 3x. Write down the plus 3x and subtract. To subtract, 3x to power 2 cancelled, and 5x minus 3x gives us 2x. So, write down the 2x. Divide 2x by x to get the fourth term of the equation, 2. Write down the plus 2 at the top. Lastly, bring down the next term, which is plus 2. Now, multiply the divisor, x, by the plus 2, to get 2x. And plus 1 times plus 2, also gives us plus 2. Write down the plus 2, and subtract. To subtract, 2x, cancelled each other, and 2 minus 2, gives us 0. So, write down your 0. Therefore, our final answer are the numbers at the top of the long division bar. 3x cubed minus 8x square, plus 3x plus 2.